Are you ready to dive into the best practical financial advice to help you achieve financial freedom? If you're looking to start the journey to financial freedom, this video is for you. If you need beginner-level advice, this video is for you. This is about building a solid foundation for lasting wealth. Stick around till the end to learn the ultimate outcome that could change your financial future forever. It's the dog's bullocks. First things first, you absolutely have to know where your money is going. I use an app called Personal Capital to track all my income and expenses, but even a simple spreadsheet will do. The key is to categorize everything and see where you can cut back. Personally, I'm a huge fan of the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, debt repayment. It's a simple framework, but trust me, it works wonders. Unexpected expenses pop up like it's nobody's business. Start with a goal of $500 to $1,000, then gradually build it up to cover 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account where it's easily accessible but not easily spendable. High-interest debt, especially credit card debt, is like a financial anchor dragging you down. The faster you pay off these debts, the more money you'll save on interest, and the quicker you can start building wealth. I recommend tackling them using the debt snowball method. Once that's gone, roll that payment amount into the next smallest debt and keep repeating until you're debt-free. This is the golden rule of building wealth. Avoid the temptation to inflate your lifestyle every time you get a raise or bonus. Instead, treat those extra dollars like your new best friend and put them to work in your savings, investments, or paying down debt. Trust me, the satisfaction of reaching your financial goals far outweighs the fleeting pleasure of a shopping spree. Retirement might seem ages away, but the earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Take full advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like a 401k, especially if your company offers a matching contribution. The key is to start investing early and consistently. Personal finance can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. There are tons of resources available to boost your financial literacy. The more you understand about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Think of your credit score as your financial GPA. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest rates on loans, mortgages, and even car insurance. Pay your bills on time every time, that's the big one. Check your credit report regularly for any errors and dispute them immediately. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Explore side hustles that align with your skills and interests, maybe freelancing, online tutoring, or driving for a ride-sharing service. Look into passive income opportunities like renting out a spare room, selling digital products, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. We're creatures of habit, and sometimes our good intentions don't always translate into action. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This set it and forget it approach takes the emotion out of saving and investing, making it effortless to build wealth over time. Life is full of surprises, right? Your financial plan shouldn't be set in stone. Regularly review and adjust it as your life circumstances change. Make sure your plan is still aligned with your current needs and long-term aspirations. Nobody likes to think about bad things happening, but it's crucial to be prepared. Insurance is a safety net that protects you and your loved ones from financial devastation in case of unexpected events. Make sure you have adequate health, life, disability, and property insurance coverage. As your income grows, resist the urge to let your spending grow proportionally. This sneaky thing called lifestyle creep can sabotage your financial progress without you even realizing it. Instead of constantly chasing the next big thing, focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Remember, true wealth is about having financial security and the freedom to live a life you love. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to smash the bloody like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Start implementing these practical tips today and watch as your financial future transforms. You've got this. Here's to your financial freedom. Cheers.